Your crochet commentary was so confusing, I threw my yarn away. First comment. Second comment after posting 8 hours, and then, could somebody please post a correct tutorial of this pattern? It's beautiful, but this woman is so la 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 confusing. There's no way anybody can follow what she's doing. This is pathetic. Quit making videos if you don't know how to crochet. Ding, 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 ding. Oh yeah, I just learned how to crochet yesterday, and I am doing tutorials since 2009. How's that working out for you, buddy? If you don't like my tutorials, carry on. There are millions of hosts doing tutorials, and no one can show you how to show my tutorial because it's my own design. Take care.